Hello and welcome to our guide for buyers of waterfront property. I'm Kevin Southwick with Coldwell Banker, and I'm here to share valuable tips to help you navigate a lakefront real estate purchase. Thank you for joining us at the Cottage and Lakefront Living Show right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. It was sure nice seeing you. Tip number one, know your preferences. Define your ideal lakefront property by considering factors like water activities, proximity to amenities, and privacy. Understanding your preferences can help you narrow down your search. Tip number two, waterfront regulations. You'll be able to familiarize yourself with local zoning and regulations that may impact your potential purchase. Some areas have restrictions on building, water usage, and shoreline modifications. Number three, home inspection. Incorporate a home inspection contingency in your purchase agreement. Evaluate the property's condition, including the waterfront structures and systems, to ensure a sound investment. Tip number four is to consider seasonal changes. If possible, visit the lake that you're considering buying a home on in different seasons to experience its full potential. Water levels, recreational opportunities, and neighborhood activity vary throughout the year. And number five, financing options. Explore financing options tailored for lakefront properties. Coldwell Banker can help you secure loans and understand insurance requirements and navigate the complexities of waterfront real estate transactions. So are you ready to elevate your lakefront property purchasing potential and achieve your real estate goals? Please get in touch with me. I'm Kevin Southwick. I can be reached at 616-802-8479 to take the next step towards a successful purchase. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.